Oh, I don't want to look, Jack.
I'll look.
I don't want to look. Good morning, everybody. We are praying that today is a very, very big day. It's a big day. It's technically been waiting absolutely weeks for this day. So in the last episode, we realised that it was a crank seal that was leaking. We took the engine out and we sealed the whole engine. The whole bottom end has been resealed to the best of our ability. We drilled out holes in the sump, drilled out holes in the blocks, threaded them, and it's looking at it, it's properly tight. The crank seal has gone back to, we've got a new crank seal now, and we've removed that crank sleeve, which came off so easy that it was probably definitely leaking through there. So today, the engine's been sat for about 4 days, so all the sealant's fully dry. We're going to be putting the engine back in. We've been dealing with an oil leak since day one, and we're praying that it's finally fixed because we've got a lot of shows coming up, and we're going to a lot of shows in the S13, and we cannot be having this oil leak. And I've done the running in miles now, so we can, once this is back in and the engine's not leaking, I don't want to say we're done with the S13, but the repairs, the build, whatever you want to call it, has been done, and we can just do modifications. We can clean the car inside and just take all the shit out of the boot and enjoy the car. We can enjoy the car after this. I've not been able to do it so far, so very excited. I forgot to bring a pair of trainers. I've only got my brand new Air Maxes, so I ain't wearing them, so I'm going to be doing this in bare feet or with socks today because I ain't ruining my fresh pair of trainers. Got a course here for an oil change, but then, what do you think, Jack? 2 hours? Hopefully 2 hours to get the engine back in and the gearbox back on. So it's about 11 o'clock. Wish us luck. Okay, the engine is in. How long does that take us? About 45 minutes? Yeah. A bit longer?
Probably a bit longer.
About an hour?
Yeah.
It's just the way the subframe mounts are, it's difficult, but it was a lot easier than putting in last time, wasn't it?
Yeah, because last time I had to stand on the gearbox. And
Yeah, we had the box in. Yeah, I don't even know how we did that. Yeah. It's just so much easier taking the box off this, honestly.
Took a while.
Yeah. But it's in. So we're going to put the box back on, make sure everything's all tightened up, then we can start running all the lines and the wiring and shit, and then put some oils in it, etc, etc, etc. Is there anything that's annoying we've still got to do that I'm forgetting about?
The worst bit's probably the wiring.
Think?
And the back water pipes. Yeah, there's no really.
Oh yeah, not much. Yeah, no. So yeah, probably another hour or so. We put back in. Yeah. Right. Let's get it done because we want to fucking make sure this is sealed. Right, engine is in, gearbox is in. Mind my make shoes. Just putting the shifter on, and the gearbox all right. Yeah. And then it's time to start her up. The worst job, literally the worst thing about this whole thing is doing the fucking prop shaft. It's so annoying. There's like a stupid fucking prop bearing, and it's just fiddly as anything, and the threads are fucking shit, and oh god, and it's so fiddly, so annoying. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start it up and basically we'll fire it up, and then while we're putting the bumper on and that bumper and the bonnet back on, hopefully it's got temperature, and I'll just go like straight for a drive. Hopefully it's not started leaking by then. We really don't want to be doing this again. I mean, huge thank you to these guys, Jack and Rusty. Honestly, they've gone absolutely above and beyond to sort this out. So absolute legends. Thank you so much, guys. Done such a good job. To be fair, we can get this box to. For what's something that was just a horrible job, we can kind of smash it out now, but it's still not. I've got shit all over my hair from the floor. It's still not fun to do. I must admit, it's still not fun, especially like on the floor. It's really not fun to do, and because it's modified and stuff, you get like you're going to jack it up at certain points, and it's quite annoying. But let's just let's get this gearbox out. Is the gear oil in? Yeah, so the oil's in. Just bottom up the shifter, get it on the floor, and we'll crank it over. Yeah, I think everything's off. Starter, alternator, starter's on. That's nice. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, fire her over.
What's your clutch feel like?
Feels like a clutch.
Yeah.
Right, should we fire up? some revolutions, some proper revolutions. She's warm, she's running, she's up to temp. Yeah. That's our. We need a new bloody idle throttle cable, don't we? Well, idle, for God's sake. Oh, I need to just. That bloody cable's so annoying, honestly. Right, so we've had it idling for like 20 minutes.
Quite a bit longer, to be fair.
Like half an hour, and it's dry. It is dry so far, but we know that it mainly did it when we go for a drive and we're getting the revs, we get the oil pressure up and stuff. So I'm going to go for a quick spin. I'm not going to really put my foot down. I'm just going to go around the block just to try and get the oil pressure up, and I'm pretty confident. Are you? Yeah. Yeah. It's not even done a drip, which is amazing. So we've got the bumper on, we've got the bonnet on. I'm going to take it for a quick spin, and I'll pick you up in a minute. Right, we're back. Oh, I don't want to look, Jack.
I'll look.
I don't want to look. I don't ever trust these guys though. I'm literally shaking. Is it? Yes! Yes! It's dry, everybody! You can't see shit, I'm trying to... Where the hell is it? It's dry. Trust me, it's dry! Woo-hoo! Thank God! Thank God! I've got literally no fuel left, you know? Literally none. Oh my God. Yes. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my God. Yeah, the bonnet is way worse. I might need to have a little bit of a play about again with that. Oh my God. We need to mess about with the bonnet a bit, dude. It's way off on this side. Oh, thank the Lord. Well done. Happy. Thank you. Am I fucking happy, mate? Fuck it hell. Oh, it's literally dry. Oh, thank the Lord. Baby Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Does it?
Yeah.
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Okay, you can't really hear inside the car. I want to celebrate your burnout, but I'm not going to because I've got no fuel and I can't be asked to go and get any. So, and I've got full of shit in the back. So, what we're going to do, celebrate your burnout, celebrate your donut when it's got fuel. So it's a great feeling. It's a great feeling. What we're going to do is, I mean, I'm not going to drive it home because we pretty much knew it was going to be fixed, but I knew for a fact if I came up on a train to drive this home, it would have leaked. But because I've come in the Audi, it's worked. So I didn't want to test fate, so I just came in the Audi. So I'm going to drive home in the Audi, and I'm going to come up on a train and grab it probably at the end of this week or something like that. I'm going to leave my tools here because I kind of want the tools in the car when I'm doing that long drive, just in case. And then once I've done that long drive, when I get home, we can start doing some actual modifications and start cleaning it. Like, it's so dirty inside and I want to clean it really badly, but I didn't want to do these little things when it was even fucking running, do you know what I mean? So, but I've got a long drive home. Jack, you can't see, you are the man. Down, baby.
I'm just glad it's done.
Me too, mate. I'm really glad it's done.
Many attempts.
Many attempts. Well, at least we know now how to take an engine out of an S13.
Oh, we knew that anyway.
Yeah, well, now we know how to do it quick.
Leak.
Now we know how to stop a leak.
Yeah.
Then we know how to take gearboxes off within 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's worrying, that, isn't it?
It is worrying, mate. I'm really tired. Cannot wait for the Isle of Wight takeover next week. Absolutely buzzing. I'm going up on my birthday as well. I turn 27. Can you believe it? Oh my God, I'm getting old. But finally here. I really didn't want to do another video of being let down and another video taking the engine out, so well, it's worked. I need to clean it because there's oil marks all over it, isn't there? Oily hands. It needs to clean really bad, yeah. But got a good video coming up regarding that. Okay, so I'm just editing this video now. It's been 4 days, like a few hundred miles since we last looked, and it's totally dry. It is totally dry. Absolutely buzzing. Obviously, first of all, it was a sump. We fixed the sump, tried to fix an issue which wasn't even an issue, and then that caused another issue, and now it's been long. It's fixed. It's good. I've put my foot down. I've done a couple of celebratory sends, not properly because I want to film a celebratory send and put it on Instagram. I'm going over to Isle of Wight this weekend, taking the car over to the Isle of Wight. So there's going to be a load of Patreon videos. So please head over to Patreon and support the channel, and you get tons of more stuff back. But huge thank you to Rusty and Jack. Honestly, legends. You have been amazing. But I'm going to just end this here and get this video live for you guys because this issue has been going on for far too long. So we love you all. Thank you, Rusty and Jack. See you soon.